Hey, I'm here to talk about two kinds of immunity, humoral and cell-mediated. The main difference between these two is one involves B cells and the other involves T cells. Humoral, which means blood back in the medieval area, would take place in the bloodstream, while cell-mediated would take place in areas with high amounts of infected cells. So let's start with cell-mediated. How cell-mediated works is that a macrophage would consume a pathogen/antigen. The antigen is presented on the surface of the macrophage, so the macrophage becomes an APC. The APC would then bind to a helper T cell, so the helper T cell can activate cytotoxic T cells, which are killer T cells. These killer T cells would go locate infected cells, bind to them, and cause the infected cells to blow up and thus killing them. This process is repeated until every single infected cell in your body is gone. In the humoral immunity, the B cells bind to an antigen floating around in the blood. The B cell then becomes an APC. The APC would attach itself to a helper T cell, and it would cause the B cell to create plasma cells and memory B cells. Plasma cells would create antibodies that will weigh down the antigens floating around in your blood, and memory B cells will just remember that specific antigen so it knows which kind of antibodies to make. And that is the main difference between these two immunities.